Think about this. The human body is a living, breathing masterpiece. It's equipped with incredible abilities to fix itself, whether it's a paper cut, a bruise, or even a broken bone. But how does this healing process actually work? And why do some parts of the body heal faster than others? When you get injured, your body doesn't waste a second. The first step, your immune system springs into action. Imagine this. You scrape your knee. Immediately, your body identifies the damage and sends out a distress call. Special cells called white blood cells rush to the injury site, acting like your body's emergency responders. Their job, protecting the area from bacteria and germs while cleaning up the mess. These white blood cells release chemical signals to summon reinforcements, creating a controlled inflammatory response. That's why cuts get red, swollen, or even warm to the touch. It's all part of the healing process. Here's something to blow your mind. Your immune system works 24/7, even while you're sleeping, to identify and destroy threats before you even know they exist. The next step in healing is all about damage control. Your blood platelets come into play. Think of platelets as tiny workers rushing to the scene and sticking together to form a clot. This clot stops you from bleeding out and also creates a protective layer over the injury, a scab. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Platelets don't act alone. They're supported by proteins in your blood, like fibrin, which create a sticky web to hold the clot together. Without this process, even a small paper cut could become a big problem. Blood clotting is so efficient that, under normal conditions, it only takes about 10 minutes for a clot to form. Isn't that amazing? Now that the wound is secure, your body begins its real work, repairing the damage. Specialized cells called fibroblasts are the unsung heroes of tissue repair. These tiny but mighty cells produce collagen, a protein that acts as a scaffold for new tissue to grow. Over days and weeks, the damaged tissue is replaced with new, healthy skin. Here's something fascinating. Your skin isn't the only part of your body capable of regeneration. Many organs, like your liver, have incredible regenerative abilities. The liver, for example, can regrow up to 70% of its mass after injury. That's why it's often called the body's powerhouse of regeneration. But not all parts of the body heal the same way. For instance, cartilage, the tissue in your joints, has very limited blood flow, so it heals much more slowly compared to skin or muscle. That's why joint injuries can take months or even years to fully recover. What about broken bones? The healing process here is a little different, but just as remarkable. When a bone fractures, your body immediately forms a blood clot at the site. This clot is replaced by a soft tissue called a callus, which acts as a temporary bridge between the broken pieces. Over time, this soft callus hardens into a bony callus, made of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. These minerals give your bones their strength and durability. The final stage involves remodeling the bone, ensuring it's as good as, or sometimes even stronger than, it was before. Believe it or not, astronauts returning from space sometimes experience slower bone healing because they lack the force of gravity, which helps stimulate bone growth. Did you know that your brain plays a huge role in the healing process? When you're injured, your brain releases chemicals like endorphins to reduce pain and stress hormones to manage inflammation. It also directs vital nutrients and oxygen to the injury site to speed up repair. Here's an incredible fact. Research shows that staying positive and reducing stress can actually improve healing times. So, the next time you're recovering, take a deep breath, stay hopeful, and trust your body to do its job. Our bodies are truly extraordinary, working tirelessly to keep us alive and thriving. So, the next time you see a scab or feel sore after a workout, remember the incredible science at play behind the scenes. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who loves learning about the human body. What topic should we cover next? Let us know in the comments below.